Hello there, welcome to a new video where this time I'm going to introduce you a new feature we have in SharePoint Online when publishing news. Basically, this new feature allows us to publish news coming from an external link. As you can see here, directly from the home page in a modern Team site, we have the possibility to create a new link, and we can do the same from the news web bar. We have the possibility to create a news by using an external link. In both cases, as soon as we press news link, we are going to have a lateral panel where we can type the external link we want to use for the news. So in my case, I'm going to use a link coming from Compartimos. That is the digital free magazine for the Spanish community where we publish different articles about Microsoft products and technologies. Mainly, we are focused on SharePoint, Office 365, and Azure, but we are open to any other Microsoft technologies, and also to publishing not only in English, not only in Spanish, but also in English. So in this case, what I'm going to do is just to grab the URL of one of the previous numbers we published in our magazine, this one for instance, and then I'm going back to my modern SharePoint Online site. I can paste the external URL. As you can see here, the process of adding the external link for creating the news is getting the page title of this external link, also the description. This is the description it's getting, this one. So it's just creating the news in a very intelligent manner. And what I can do is just, for instance, to change the picture we want to show for this news. So, for instance, I'm going to do a screenshot of the portrait of this issue of the Compartimos magazine. Yep, here we go. I can save. I'm going to save this as a picture I can easily identify. So I can say this is portrait issue number 36. Yeah. So if I go back to my site, to the place where I'm defining the news, I can change the preview image. I can upload from my local PC. As you can see here, I'm choosing the picture I have just done. Click on add image. Yeah, here we go. This is the preview. Maybe it's not very beautiful, but it's enough just for demonstration purposes. And as soon as I'm ready, I can post the news. And you will see that it's going to be reflected in the news web bar. So the news web bar is going to be updated with this news, with this new news article that is coming from an external link. Hope it's going to be very straightforward. And seeing the process is now very slow. I don't know why. Maybe something is slow in SharePoint Online now, but yeah, just a little bit of patience and it should work. And by the way, what is going to happen is that while the publishing is ending, what we can do is just to open the same site. Yes, leave. Okay. On a different tab in our browser, because what I want to show you is how this news we have added is going to behave in our site. So basically it's going to behave as a regular news in the site, but obviously when you click on the news, you are going to be redirected to the external link you created. So let's wait after we have the news web bar loaded in the page. This is happening now. Yes, here we go. You can see that the news is still not published. I don't know why, some kind of slowness. So as you can see, if I click over here, I'm going to be redirected to the external page. That is totally expected. But the good thing is that if you go to the site contents page and then you browse the site pages library, what you are going to see is that actually we have an item there. This is because we have a new content type, as I will show you in a moment, that allows us to create news coming from external links. So if I click on site pages, page library, we are going to have at least one item of the previous page I create using this an external link. Just let's wait, it's coming. Let's check out what is happening with the publication. It's still not finished. I don't know what's happening. Something is obviously wrong. So again, let's reload this. Yeah, something is not very well with the service. Let's check what's happening. Service health. Yeah, there is an advisory with SharePoint Online. Something with the search that it should not be affecting our site content pages, but it's obviously doing something. By the way, let's try again. Open the site pages on a different tab. Yeah, it's coming. Perfect. Okay, maybe I spoke too soon because it's not coming. I'm going to try on a different browser just in case. Okay, it's working now. I don't need that. So yeah, as you can see here, these are the two pages I create with an external link. And what I wanted to show you is that if you select the page and you see the details of the page, you're going to see that we have a specific content type for this page. It's loading the property part. So let's wait for a moment, since the issue we have in SharePoint Online around search is not only search, it's something more. Yes. Okay, still the publication has not finished. I don't know why. So let's go back here. So basically, what we should see is that, yeah, we have in the properties part, that is what I'm waiting for, we should have this new content type that allows us to parse news using external link. Yes, here we go. This is the content type, is the repost page. Another thing is that you have here is that if you click on the page, you are going to have the possibility not only to see the properties of the page that is based on an external link, but you are also going to have the possibility to edit and update some information. For instance, the title, for instance, the descriptions, or the preview. Here we go. So you can even change the title, you can change you can change the link, you can change the title, and you can change the description. We can click on edit, so you can see. Let's see if it's going to work, because last time I tried, it didn't work very well. And it should provide us the possibility to change any of these properties we have. Here we go in the page. So as you can see here, we can change this. We can change the title. We can change the picture, obviously, with the same experience I showed you before. Just click on cancel because I don't need that. We can change the description and so on. And once we're ready, just publish. And in case you made any changes, it should be just reflected in the news web part and also in the news link details. And that's all what I had to show you about the new ability we have in SharePoint Online modern site to publish news using external links. I think this is a very cool feature, something that I think it was necessary. Just was expected for many of us. Yeah, it's a good step forward that fortunately was disclosed by Microsoft at the night a couple of weeks ago. I hope you have found this video interesting, and yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.